Hello and welcome to practice 4. In this chapter we will practice how to create screen exit or customer exit. Okay, let's start this chapter. First we open transaction code ME21N, and the transaction code is used for creating purchase order. We create a purchase order with the reference For example, there is a requirement to add additional fields in this header section. So we have to enhance this program using screen exit. So we have to search customer exit that is applicable for this requirement. So as always, there are several ways to find customer exit and has been described in previous practice chapters. For example, the functional team know the customer exit name that is applicable for this requirement. The exit name is M06E005. We check the customer exit definition by using transaction code SMOD. We use the documentation. We can create screen number 0101. We go to the component of the customer exit. We see there are several screen exit and also function module exit. Screen exit always be followed by function module exit for data transfer. We see there are also table enhancement using customizing include. Okay, we have done checking the customer exit, and now we will implement the customer exit. We go to transaction code CMOD. We create new enhancement project with name ZZFIELD1. We press button create. We will fill the short text like this. We go to the components. We have the enhancement project first. Sorry, we have not assigned the customer exit to this enhancement project. We go to the enhancement assignment. We input the customer exit name. Then we go to the components. First we implement the table enhancement for PO header. Let's implement this. We double click the customizing include. So the customizing include will be generated. We will fill the short description here like this, and then we add the field that we want to add to the PO header. For example, we want to add two fields. First field is ZZFIELD1 and then the second field is ZZFIELD2. We can use existing data element for the data type like this, but in this lecture we choose to create a new data element. So you can also create new ones, or you can use existing ones also. It depends upon you. Okay, we activate the customizing include. This may take a long time. We see there are several tables that use this customizing include. One of them is EKKO table, and this table is for storing PO header data, as we already know this. Okay, we go back to the enhancement project, and then we implement the screen exit number 0101 by double clicking the screen exit. The screen will be generated. We have to make sure that the screen generated is with type subscreen. We can check it in the attributes tab. We go to the layout of the screen, and then we add the fields to the screen. For example, the name CI_EKKO_DB. So we can use this as we have added in this already. So we will get the fields from here. We save first and then we activate. And then after that we have to implement the function module exit to export data from standard program to the screen exit, and also to import data from screen exit to the standard program. So, but before that we have to declare the data project with the same name as the screen field name also. So this is for enable data transfer from the screen to the program. Actually, this is commonly do when we create a screen. So in this customer exit we also provide several include, and usually started with the Z or Y, and one of them is top include actually. So we double click on this. If you get a warning message, don't worry, just press enter button on keyboard. Okay, then you can proceed further. And okay, we declare a structured data project. And then we activate it. Let's activate this. And then we go back to the enhancement project. And then we implement the function module exit for exporting data from standard program to the screen exit. And we see short text of the function module exit. We double click the include to create the include. Just click enter, hit enter, and we check the parameters of the function module exit first. So these are the parameters. We write the source codes for exporting the data from standard program to the screen exit. Okay. So we activate the program. Sorry, this is an error. We fix first. And then we activate again. After that, we have to implement the function module exit for importing data from screen exit to the standard program. It is function module exit number 8. We see the parameters first. We double click the include for creating the include. There is a warning message. We press enter button on keyboard. We write the source codes for importing data from screen exit to the standard program. we activate the program. After that we activate the enhancement project. Okay, we test the program. We create a purchase order with the reference. So here, so we can see there is an additional screen. We fill the additional fields and then we save it. And then we display again a new purchase order document with transaction code ME21N. We see the additional data we have added or saved to the database, but